What's going on, everybody? Crypto Shoney here with another cryptocurrency video for you. Hope everyone had a good day. I know for me it was my first day back after about a week off just with all the holidays and vacation and such. So just get back into the swing of things. It's kind of an interesting day in the cryptocurrency world. You know, the altcoin started off strong. Then Bitcoin made kind of a resurgence along with Litecoin and kind of knocked off the altcoin, and then now we're seeing the altcoins come back. So kind of an interesting day nonetheless, but just wanted to cover a couple things today. I'm actually planning, I don't have a ton of time today, and I want to keep this video somewhat short, so I'm just going to do a quick review of the two platforms I'm working with here on cloud mining. Tomorrow I think I'm going to talk about what my approach is or my strategy is, you know, taking these proceeds and doing something with it to make more money. So I'll kind of go into that approach tomorrow. So just really quick, things are still going really good on Crypterra. As you probably saw in my main picture there, you know, it's the most profitable cloud mining service going right now. I mean, with their Christmas sale, if you can afford the 20 terahash, I mean, it's pennies on the dollar compared to some of these other sites. There's no maintenance fees right now. It's just I don't know why people wouldn't want to use this. And here's something I previously had noticed. You know, they do give stats on the total number of people mining. You know, they have mined 2.3 million across all these coins. So it's kind of a cool stat. Who knows if it's true, but kind of cool to look at. So as you can see, still got 60 terahash here. I'm just reaping in the money here. I've been doing it for almost 3 days now. It'll be 3 days at 11:30 tonight, and it's already up to $331 total mined. One thing I did want to show is how easy the withdrawals are. So I've got $53 here. I'm going to go ahead and do one of these live so you can see. As you can see in my history here, I've got 5 thus far. All have been flawless. No worry of it being a scam. They've all gone through. So just really quick, I wanted to show you how easy this was. You just come over here. You have your address. It's already in your settings. So this is my address. I think Bitcoin is really the only payment system. I'm going to do my entire balance. One click. It'll pend here for a second. Now my balance is 0. I scroll down and my withdrawal is processing. So basically this sometimes they batch these together. So this could say processing for, I've seen it anywhere from 5 to maybe upwards of 30 minutes before this will finally change from a waiting to give you a transaction ID, and then at that point it's at the mercy of the Bitcoin network to confirm it 6 times to get to your wallet. Some wallets it only takes 1 or 2, so kind of varies based on what wallet you use. So that was a withdrawal, super easy. Minimum is $10 USD, so it's the lowest of any site, I believe, for cloud mining. So again, another positive. One thing I haven't previously shown that I kind of found interesting here, if I can get to it. It's under pricing, that's right. So, you know, a lot of people are saying how this is a scam or whatnot. One thing I found interesting, so they give different pricing here for the different coins they offer. I only do SHA-256, so I get Bitcoin, but they offer other mining, other coins. They have Ethereum, they have Zcash, Litecoin, and down here, Monero Cloud Mining. So right now it says unavailable, right? Either they haven't started it yet or they sold out. I don't know, but if I were a company trying to scam somebody, why would I limit myself to what I can get money from people? Why would I make this unavailable, right? So again, I think this is one more sign to show potentially this could be a legit long-term company similar to Genesis Mining and Hashflare. So that's pretty much all I wanted to show here. I did want to point out something really cool that someone in my comments pointed out. As you can see, this looks way different, all the orange here with the orange lines. There's a Google Chrome extension called Hashflare, so without the L, Reborn. You just go into your extensions, you download this, and when you load this page, it converts everything for you. So it'll show you, 1 Bitcoin equals the current price, your balance in USD. I think it may support other currencies, but it definitely works for USD. And then here's the best part. So the other day in one of my videos I was pointing out, I wonder why this amount was less. Initially I thought it was because of a pool change that I made down here. But it turns out it's because on this day the maintenance fee was 20.85%, thus lowering my payout. Happened here as well. I had some low days here. The maintenance fee was high on these days. Now I don't know why the maintenance fee varies. But as you can see, the days that these are the highest, I made the least. So it kind of quickly shows you, what's attributing to the ups and downs in your payouts when you're not necessarily increasing your hashing power. So again, I haven't been withdrawing this for the last, I think, 3 days. So I've got $73 from 11 and some change terahash here. I was looking at this. I'm not really 100% sure what this tells me, but it shows all these pools here. I'm gonna, if someone understands this, please comment, because it says distribution, and I don't think I'm in all of these pools. So what I was hoping is this would quickly show the most profitable, but I'm gonna have to do a little more research to understand what this means. So Hashflare is going good. Yes, it's profitable, but based on the analytics I've done, Crypterra right now is kind of the best in breed in terms of profitability. I mean, and the cool part, you guys just saw me withdraw this, and I'll go back to my home page, and I'm already accruing a new balance. So these aren't daily payouts. These are like real-time as you're mining payouts. So over the course of the day, I can log in here and I'll see my balance growing. And in the last, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes, whatever it's been, I've got 40 cents. So kind of a cool thing. I mean, this company so far has been great. The withdrawals are the cheapest. The hashing power is the cheapest. There's no maintenance fees. The contracts are 2 years versus 1. I don't see any downside right now. As you can see, it still says awaiting, so this might be one of the ones that takes a bit longer, but again, I have had 0 issues getting any of these 5, now will be 6 payouts. So I will continue to put my referral link for both Crypterra and Hashflare down in the description and in the comments. If you're looking to try out cloud mining, feel free to use that link. I would be very appreciative. So I think that's all for today. Was trying to keep this short, but I'll be back tomorrow. I'm hoping to do one of these every day. Feel free to comment if you have any questions. I've answered a few of those already. So please do like, comment, and subscribe, and sign up for the notifications so when I upload these videos, you'll be notified. With that, I don't have anything else. I hope you guys have a good night. Take care. See ya.